Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at the accident site of the train derailment in East Palestine, Ohio. Record this on a Friday. It was really cold, about 29 degrees. And there was a little bit of snow, as you can see. So coming up here, first thing we're going to zoom in and you will see a rolled over car. Appeared to have a lot of chemicals in it. They were using this white substance, appears to be an absorbent right there. Those excavators are rolling that car over. They would get it rolled over by the time I got done filming. I've seen that substance before. One time I saw an accident on 80 in Pennsylvania. A truck hauling diesel fuel had rolled over, and they used what appears to be that same substance to absorb all the fuel. So this is the part of the crash site that was nearest me. And in a minute here, we're going to zoom in. There's another pool of that white substance to absorb chemicals, I'm assuming. So right here, we're going to zoom in. And as you can see, there's a train going by. So they're using one side of the tracks. So right there is another pool of that white substance. Appears to be absorbing spilled chemicals. There was media there that day. CNN was there. There's media all over the town. When I was leaving, I saw media, and you could see stacks of bottled water and whatnot. So it's nice to see this is getting the coverage it deserves. And hopefully get this town some help. So I'm just hovering over this part of the crash site. Okay, this is the other part of the crash site across the tracks there. In the background, you'll notice a very large section of plastic covering the soil. There were trucks coming in and out the whole time I was there. They had street sweepers going. A lot of media coverage, as I said earlier. After being here about a half an hour, my nostrils did start burning a little. My throat was irritated. I thought maybe that was in people's minds just because they knew there was a chemical spill there, but it got pretty bad when I left. My nasal cavity and my esophagus was noticeably irritated. But I didn't smell anything when I arrived at the crash site. So I'm just panning around here, and this is the other part, and you'll see in the background there they did get that car moved. So thanks for watching, and I plan on making more videos of this. Have a good day.